At Inspired Dental Wellness, we do orthodontics for kids and adults of all ages. We really try to start as early as possible to ensure that we get optimal growth. So that means we start as early as the child lets us. So currently we have kids as young as 3 years old in our orthodontic programs because we try to develop their arches to make sure that they can breathe well. So our whole focus is on the airway and making sure that everybody is able to function optimally. That looks different for everybody. We try to expand arches so that there is enough space in the arch for all of the teeth, and then it creates a large airway as well. So if you have a narrow arch, which is crowded, and your teeth are crooked, that means that most likely your airway is also very narrow and that you don't have enough space.
We decided to incorporate airway-focused orthodontics here at Inspired Dental Wellness because we know that there's more to just straight teeth when it comes to braces. Before we start your orthodontic treatment, we look at your jaw joints. We make sure that your jaw is in the correct position and functioning properly, so we prevent future TMJ problems that can cause headaches and migraines. As your treatment progresses, we continue to monitor your jaw joints.
We will do a JVA, which is like earthquake technology, and it measures the vibrations that your joint is making. So most people should have really smooth vibrations, but if you have a jaw joint problem, it's going to be really large vibrations, which is more like an earthquake. So we make sure before we're done with our braces that everything is nice and smooth and that your jaw is functioning properly and your teeth are in the right place for your jaw joints. We also will take impressions. The way we take impressions are digital impressions, which means we use a scanner to take photos of your teeth, and then we will get those printed models. So there's no goopy material, no sitting with flavored goop in your mouth for 5 minutes while it sets up anymore. And then we will also take some photos, and we do the JVA, which was that joint vibration analysis.